Hey guys, this is Timmy here with Clanktronics. I'm going to take apart this Super Nintendo, but I wanted to make sure that it works first. I know that's kind of weird, but I've got this running because I just got this in the mail, guys. The RGR. This is a clear Super Nintendo shell, guys. So I'm going to take this one apart on this video, but be sure to subscribe, guys. Like this video. It really helps me out. Even put a comment in. So I've got to go ahead and take this thing apart. In a later video, I'll do the unboxing of the clear shell. But really, this is a teardown of a Super Nintendo, guys. I know a lot of people speed up their videos, and you know, I feel like it's nice to know how long does it actually take to work on this stuff. You know, when I'm quoting out a job for a customer, I'm always thinking how long is it really going to take me? So I look up a YouTube video, and it's kind of hard to tell because people speed up their videos so much. But I will do short snippets and stuff like that. If you're not already following me on TikTok, check out my channel there too. There's just 6 screws that holds this together, guys. And this screwdriver I just ordered off of eBay. Just like that, guys. There's a couple screws that are still stuck in here somewhere, but they'll fall out and I'll catch them. It's just nice to have like a little pick around that you can just push those down through if one of them gets stuck. And now we've got the eject part, and it just has a bar that slides through, and that's what holds this spring into place. See, the spring just kind of falls out, but it has to go back in that notch like that. And I could just use this one. Just a couple Phillips head screws on the power switch. You know, a really common problem with the Super Nintendo is this fuse right here will get burnt up. And that's a lot of times all you have to do if you have no power on a Super Nintendo. I'm going to leave that connected, but for this one, we are removing the RF shield completely because it really doesn't need it. And it makes it look so much cooler because I'm going to put this in a clear shell. And the screws for the pin set are different. They're longer and silver. Couple silvers here. And that's why it's nice to have a set of tweezers too. And then this piece here just lifts up and you just pull. It is a very delicate little connector on the controller. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if I'll need those on the other system, but be sure to subscribe, guys, so you can see the other video where I make a clear. I'm going to put this in a clear system. It's going to look awesome.